In this video, I will show you how to manually change the date and time on a WordPress post. And as an example, let's take a look at this most recent post. If you notice, it was published on March 1st at 6:30 p.m. Let's assume we need to change the date to March 2nd and time to 12 p.m. To make this adjustment, let's log into WordPress dashboard and then click on Posts. Then locate the post in question, in my case is this one. Let's click on Edit. Once the block editor loads, you'll see the post settings. In case you don't see it, click on the settings at the very top, it should populate. Then within the menu, look for the publish option. Let's click on date. At first, let's adjust the time. Let's change it from 6:30 to 12 p.m. And then let's change the date to March 2nd. Once finished, make sure to save the changes. Then go back to your website and let's try refreshing the post. And as you can see, the updated date and timestamp should be reflected within the post. So as usual, I hope you found this short tip helpful. For more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.